What if I told you the journey to Mars could take years, and survival isn't even guaranteed?
Why would humans risk everything just to reach a lifeless planet?
NASA has a plan, but it's more complex than you think. This isn't science fiction. It's the future of human survival. So how does NASA plan to send humans to Mars? The mission begins right here on Earth. The journey to Mars is not just long, it's dangerous. From training astronauts to building machines that can survive space. It can take up to 7 to 9 months just to arrive.
And returning back to Earth may take even longer.
So where exactly will humans land on Mars? NASA is searching for the safest landing zones. Flat land near ice deposits could be the key. Because water means survival. But living on Mars is a completely different challenge. There is no breathable air, and temperatures are extreme. Radiation from space constantly hits the surface. That's why habitats must be built underground or heavily shielded. Food, oxygen, and water must all be created on Mars. This mission isn't just exploration, it's the beginning of colonization. To understand Mars, we must go back billions of years. Mars was born from cosmic dust, just like Earth. But something went wrong. Mars lost its chance for life. Unlike Earth, Mars lost its magnetic shield. Solar radiation stripped away its atmosphere over time. Today, Mars is cold, dry, and nearly lifeless. But signs of ancient water still remain. Giant valleys and river channels tell a forgotten story. So could Mars have supported life before? This is what scientists are still trying to discover. Compared to Earth, Mars is smaller and weaker. Gravity on Mars is only 38% of Earth's. A day on Mars is almost like Earth. But a year lasts nearly twice as long. Temperatures can drop to minus 80 degrees Celsius, and global dust storms can cover the entire planet. Despite all this, humans still want to go. Because Mars could be the backup plan for humanity. But can humans actually survive there long term? The answer depends on science, technology, and time. What if humans finally succeed in reaching Mars? The first step on Mars would change history forever. A new world begins with a single footprint. But survival will depend on building a stable habitat. Oxygen must be generated from the Martian atmosphere. Water can be extracted from underground ice. And food must be grown in controlled environments. but isolation may be the biggest challenge of all. Communication with Earth can take up to 20 minutes.
Every decision must be made independently.
And returning home is even more complex. Fuel for the return trip must be produced on Mars. The journey back could take another year. This means missions could last over 2 to 3 years. So can humans truly live on Mars? The answer is yes, but not easily. It will require technology resilience and sacrifice. Mars will never be Earth, but it could become home. And this is just the beginning of human expansion. Because one day, humanity won't just live on Earth. It will live among the stars.